See children, so the next topic we have vocabulary part. You know all of you, vocabulary, the words, meanings we should learn. Now it's a time to know the new words. What are the new words in this lesson? You know those are, but once again learn thorough. What are the new words Nana? First one is chameleon. Chameleon, you know that. But this is a kind of lizard. It's a kind of lizard that can change colors. A kind of lizard that can change colors. That is called chameleon. Okay, merrily. Merrily means happily. Merrily means very happily. Delicacy. Delicacy means a dish good to taste. A dish good to taste. Very tasty dish, we call it delicacy. And smacking. Smacking means punishment. Smacking means punishment. And enormous. Enormous jars. Very big jars. Enormous means very big. Trembling. Trembling means shiver with fear. Trembling means shivering with fear. That we call it trembling. And furiously. So this chameleon got furious, na? So that is thumping furiously. So too much of extreme. Furiously means very angrily. Very angrily. Okay, ma? These are the words, vocabulary part we have. And some other words what you don't know also I told you. So learn all the meanings of the given words. Okay, children? See children, so the next one we have, that is time to spell well. So what can we spell well here? Learn the spellings. What are those? Complete the words. First they gave the words by missing the first letter. That letters here they mention. Okay ma? Then we should learn the spelling of the words also. Okay? Now see the first word, what do we have? Easily you can find. Very good. Crocodile. Crocodile. Spelling? Crocodile. Very nice. Crocodile. Crocodile. Where you see here we have. Okay. Next one. Dash Chameleon. Very good. Chameleon. Chameleon. Chameleon spelling Chameleon. 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 So where is C here? Yes, here also. Then we can learn. Next one, Nana. Both are, yes, friends. Spelling Friends. Where is F? Here. So, friends. 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 Okay, ma. Next one. Dash ATR. Very good. Water. Water spelling WATER. Where is W? Here. Very nice. WATER. Water. Next one. Dash EMBERS. So who are there in the crocodile's family? All the members of the family. So MEMBERS. 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 So where is M? Here. Next one, dash INNER. Dash INNER. Crocodile invited chameleon to dinner. Spelling DINNER. Dinner. This one. Okay, ma. Next one we have dash CHILDREN. Yes, crocodile children are there. So then spelling CHILDREN. Children. Here C. Very good. Next one dash AWS. Big jaws to crocodile. So jaws. JAWS. What is this? JAWS. Jaws. And next one dash TICK. Chameleon through the Stick into the water. So spelling S-T-I-C-K, stick. S-T-I-C-K, yes is here. And next one, dash, T-O-M-A-C-H. Yes, it is stomach. Very good. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Here, yes. Okay, children. All words you got it now? So, once read these with spellings. This is crocodile. Spelling ma? C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile, Nana. Next one, chameleon. Spelling ma? C-H-A-M-E-L-E-O-N. Chameleon. Next one, friends. Spelling F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. And next one, water. Spelling W-A-T-E-R. Water. And next one, members. Spelling M-E-M-B-E-R-S. Members. Next one, dinner. Spelling, tell me ma. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. Next one, children. Spelling C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. So next one, jaws. Jaws spelling J-A-W-S. Jaws. And next one, stick. S-T-I-C-K. Stick. This one, stomach. Spelling S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Okay, children. These are the spellings. All of you learn these words. See, children. So, the next topic we have here, time to listen. What can you listen now in this? Listen to your teacher and repeat after her. So, I am going to read this. Listen to me and then repeat it. What is the main problem here? So, some words we keep apostrophe. So, that is her apostrophe s, their apostrophe s. These we cannot write it. So, here hers, H-E-R-S, and theirs. Okay, ma? So, apostrophe to write it wrong, that we should write it these only. Some conditions we can write, mostly we cannot use. Okay, ma? Without apostrophe, we should write. So, related to that, here we have some sentences. So, see this first one is, this is your book. Yours. This is yours. This book is yours. This is your book. This book is yours. Yours, their apostrophe, we cannot write it. Okay, now. And is this their car? Is this their car? So that we should, we are asking question. Is this their car? And this is our house. This house is ours. This house is ours. Ours means here we write like this only. No apostrophe. Here we should not keep apostrophe like this one. This house is ours. So this is our house. We can say this house is ours also we can say. Okay, there we cannot keep any apostrophe there. Okay, an apostrophe means this symbol. Okay, and next one. This pen is hers. This pen is hers. Okay, so this is ours, I told you now, like this. This pen is hers. And the pen is mine. The pen is mine. So these are the words. Sometimes we use apostrophe s, but that is wrong. We cannot use them. Okay, children. Now see, this is your book. Is this their car? This is our house. This pen is hers. And the pen is mine. Right? Will you practice this sentence? Very good. Read this sentence. See, children, so the next topic we have grammar part. In that grammar part, it's a time to learn. It's a time to learn. What can we learn? Action words. Action words means here not to act in the movies or serials or your skits. But here action words means the action, work what we are doing. Action means work what we are doing. So action words means action words tell us, action word tell us about people, people, animals or things, animals or things do, or things do. So whatever the people they are doing, whatever the animals they are doing, whatever the things they are doing, that word is nothing but action word. Okay children, whatever the work we are doing, that is called action word. The work we call it action word. Okay ma? So now look at these pictures. Now look at these pictures. Here what do we have? The first picture we have birds are flying, right? Birds fly. And in the second picture what do we have? Yes, two children are walking. Right, there the third picture what do we have there? Yes, the children are sliding. And next picture what do we have there ma? Yes, a girl is running. A girl is running. Right, in the middle what do we have? Fly, run, slide, walk. So who are doing their work? Match it now. Match it all of you. First one what do we have? Fly. So which are flying here? Yes, birds. So draw a line from fly to birds. Birds do fly. One line you draw it. That is a matching. We should do it here. Okay, we should match the action words here. So now draw this. Okay, fly with the birds. Next word what do we have? Run. Who is running here? Yes, a girl is running here. A girl is running. So then run, you should match it. A girl. Okay, Nana. And the next word what do we have? Slide. Who is doing slide here? Yes, the children are sliding. That side first picture na? So match it. Children slide. Okay. Next one walk. So who are walking here? Yes, these children are walking. These children are walking. Okay, ma. So these four we should write. First birds flying, and second one they gave running. Girl is running, and third one they gave here slide. So the children are sliding and these children are walking. So what are they doing? Those are called action words. Those are called action words. Okay, Nana? Understood? So then shall we do some examples on this? Very good. Yes, let's do. Yes, see the examples children for the action words now. What do we have? Fill in the blanks with the action words given in ClueKit. So here ClueKit they have given and the blanks they have given, and here pictures also there. So seeing the picture, what are they doing using the ClueKit? We should say. What do we have in the ClueKit? Barking, writing, skipping, drinking. Barking, writing, skipping, drinking. So who are doing which work? Tell me. He is. What is that boy doing here? Yes, he is writing. So then right answer here. What is his work? Writing. So that is action word. Okay, Nana? That is action. What the boy is doing here? Writing. So he is writing. Okay, ma. Next one, she is. What is the girl doing? Yes, the girl is skipping. So then the girl is, she is skipping. She is skipping. So what's the action is she doing? Skipping. The girl is, she is skipping. Okay, ma. Next one, what do we have? The cat is dash milk. What's the cat doing there? It is drinking, right? So the cat is drinking milk. The cat is drinking milk. So here they have given drinking, na? That we should write. And next last picture, what is this dog doing? The dog is, yes, Bobo, barking, right? The dog is barking. Okay, so based on the pictures, using the ClueKit, we should tell what are they doing. What is their action word. So now the boy is writing, then we can say he is writing. So here the girl is skipping, then we should say it is she is skipping. And the cat is drinking milk, right? Then we should write it, the cat is drinking milk. And here the dog is loudly barking. So the dog is barking. Okay, children, seeing the pictures, what are they doing? We should fill it. Understood? Good. See children, so the next one we have, it's a time to watch. What can you watch here? See this. So the chameleon change its colors to hide when it is in danger. Yes, chameleon is changing its colors na, when it is in danger. The same way, here are some other animals good at camouflage. So they are other animals good at camouflage. Camouflage means disguise. That means looking like another. Marvesham we call it. So disguise or else change its color or else hide. So when they are in danger, immediately they hide themselves or else they change into another way. So now color these pictures. So here three pictures they have given. These three animals, find and color these. Okay children, you are very much interested in coloring na? So all of you do the coloring these pictures. Okay children. See children, so the next one we have, it's a time to speak. What can you speak? Speak means definitely conversation. So what do we have, Nana? Here say this. Imagine you are Mr. Crocodile. Yes. You also plan the like cunning only. See, tell your family what happened at the river. So crocodile came to the river and the chameleon invited to the dinner. So what happened at the river? Explain to your family that you are crocodile. Okay. Then what do we have? Mr. Crocodile, you all know I made friendship with a chameleon. What Mr. Crocodile said? You all know. To whom? For the family members. You all know I made friendship with a chameleon all these days. Yes, then dad crocodile. Crocodile's dad, what he asked? Yes, that you have already told us. Yes, we know that you have already told us. What's the matter? So then Mr. Crocodile said, yes, my friend is leaving the river bank. My friend is leaving the river bank. So now he is staying in river bank, right? River bank means out of the water it is staying. Na? So leaving it. Leaving means what happened? So then mom crocodile said, where is she going? So is it leaving? That means where is she going? Then, now complete the conversation. So what can we write? Where is she going? Mr. Crocodile said, what can we say? Yes, she is going to another place. So Mr. Crocodile, we can say from the Mr. Crocodile, what the crocodile can say? She is going to another place. She is going to another place. So then what's the father and mother said? Dad crocodile. Dad crocodile, what can he say here for this? Yes, is it really? Right? Is it? He may shock or surprise about it. Then mother crocodile. Mom crocodile is there na? What mom crocodile can say for this? Tell me. This is the conversation among the crocodile's family. Mr. Crocodile said, yes, where is she going? She is going to some place, other place. Now, Dad Crocodile said, is it? Is it going? Yes. Okay. Mom Crocodile what said? Your friends are going away. Some other place means definitely they call you. You call them for dinner, right? So, mom said, why don't you invite her to dinner? Your friend, na? That's why. Why don't you invite her? Why don't you invite her to dinner? So your friend, that's why you can call your friend to dinner. So then what's the Mr. Crocodile said? Mr. Crocodile, you only very cunningly. What can you say? Yes. Yes. We can invite her and kill and eat. Kill and eat. Crocodile planned the same thing, na? Yes. Kill and eat. So Mr. Crocodile said, yes, we can invite her and kill and eat. So why should we allow it to go other place? We only can eat. That is very tasty meat. That Mr. Crocodile can say. Okay, children. So fill in these in the textbook and notes. Write down. Okay, ma. All these dialogues you write down. Yes, children. So the next one we have, next topic we have, it's a time to write. Write means the word to you only, na? What can you write, ma? Use the following words in your own sentences. So here total 10 sentences they have given. You should use them in your own sentence. One already they have given. What is the first one, amma? Fond of. Fond of. Fond of means very much interested, na? I am very much fond of sweets. I am very much fond of sweets. So you love sweets, na? So for that you can write, I am very much fond of sweets. Your favorite sweets, at least one or two you have, na? For that we can say. Okay, ma? And see the second one, what do we have? Climb. Climb, all of you know, na? Climb means, climb, for that you can write it. Yes, what can you write? Very good. Don't climb the tree. Don't climb the tree. Why? You may fell down. That's why don't climb the tree. Don't climb the tree. Okay, na? And see the next one, third one, what do we have? Gather. Third one we have gather. Gather. So what can we write? Gather means all together, to form. So a big crowd gathered there. A big crowd gathered there. A big crowd gathered there. Okay, children. Like this, very simple sentences I am giving. Next one, Seema. Fourth one, waited. Fourth one, waited. Waited answer, what can we write? Yes, you are waiting, na? So we waited for a long time in the bus stop. We waited for a long time in the bus stop. So for the school bus or any other, you wait there, na? So we waited for a long time in the bus stop. That you can write. Next one, amma. Fifth one, what do we have? Special treat. Special treat. Special treat. So, if any friends come, you give special treat to them, na? Yes. So, there was a special treat. Without confusing, each one color I am writing, Nana. There was a special treat. There was a special treat given to me. There was a special treat given to me by by everyone in a family. By everyone in a family. In a family. There was a special treat given to me by everyone in a family. That we can write here. And see the next one, Nana, sixth one, what do we have? Delicacy. Delicacy. Delicacy means very good tasty dishes, na? So then, delicacy. Delicacy, we write the sentence for this. They served more delicacies. They served more delicacies. So, very tasty dishes they served. For that we can write delicacies. Okay, children. Next one, seventh one, what do we have, ma? Furiously. Furiously means what, Nana? Yes, getting too much of angry, na? Yes. So, my teacher, sorry, Nana, not of furiously you have. Seventh one you have instructed. Sorry. Seventh one you have instructed. Instructed. So answer what can we write? My teacher instructed us. My teacher instructed me by all means. My teacher instructed me by all means, or our teacher instructed us by all means. Okay, Nana? That you should write. Next one, Amma. Eighth one, what do we have? Furiously. Furiously. Furiously means very angry, na? Father shouted furiously. So got too much of angry, na? Father shouted furiously. Okay, Nana? And see the next one, trembling. Ninth one we have trembling. 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 What is the trembling? So shivered with fear, na? Yes, he was trembling with fear. He was trembling. He was trembling with fear. He was trembling with fear. Okay, now. Last one, what do we have? Invited. Invited. So what can we write? I invited all my friends. I invited all my friends on my birthday. So do you call your friends or not? On my birthday. Okay, children. So I invited all my friends on my birthday. Okay, ma? See one by one all. What do we have? First one is fond of. Fond of. Fond of means very much interested, na? I am very much fond of sweets. I am very much fond of sweets. Next one, Anna, climb. Don't climb trees. Don't climb the tree. Next one, gather. A big crowd gathered there. And next one, Amma, waited. She waited for a long time in the bus stop. We waited for a long time in the bus stop. And special treat. There was a special treat given to me by everyone in a family. By everyone in a family. Okay. Delicacy. Delicacy means they served more delicacies. Delicacy means very tasty dishes, na? So they served more delicacies. And instructed. My teacher instructed me by all means. Okay, ma. Furiously. Furiously means father shouted furiously, right? Father, when they get angry, they shout at us, na? So father shouted furiously. And next one, trembling. Trembling. He was trembling with fear, shivering with fear. That we call it trembling. Invited. Invited is I invited all my friends on my birthday. Do you invite all friends? Very good. That you can write. I invited all my friends on my birthday. Okay, children. So these are own sentence. Very easy sentence to you. Learn this. See, children. So the last topic in this lesson, that is the chameleon becomes wise. What do we have the last topic? It's a time to do. What can you do? The project work you have. Project work. What is that? Some animals live on land, on only land, cannot live in water. Some animals, some in the water, right? Some animals live on land means that is our dog, cat, rat, all these our normal animals. Anything you can take, na buffalo, cow, zebra, giraffe, all these, elephant, anything. So here three enough. And some in water. Water which can live? Yes, crocodile and fish and that is a prawns, that is a snails, like this some we can take, na? And some live on both land and in the water. Land and in the water. So find out the names of at least 3 such animals and write them in the boxes below. I told you which are living on the land and which are living in water. But I didn't tell which are living on both land and water. You find those animals and write minimum 3. Just 3 enough. Okay, Nana? So find it which are living both land and water. Those animals' names right here. Living on land, living in water, and both land and water. Okay, Nana? Very easiest one, na? Do it.